Choose the color ball that matches the hole. Choose the color ball that matches the star hole. First one, yellow. Where's the yellow ball? Is it that one? No, that's red. Is it that one? No, that's blue. Is it that one? Yeah, that's yellow. Choose a blue color ball to go into the blue star. Is it that one? No. Is it that one? No. Is it that one? Yeah. Choose a red ball that matches the red star and put it in the hole. Is it that one? No. Is it that one? No. Is it that one? Yeah. Go down the slide, Leela.
Spiderman! Spider-Man super speed.
2, 3. 4, 5. 6, 7. 8. Go. That's a perfect balls. 9. over here more. This side. 10. Keep going, Zebby. They're over here maybe somewhere. Look everywhere. Move them around more. There you go. I saw one. I see one, Zeb.
I see one.
Ding, 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 ding. 11. One more. Find the last one. Where could it be? 12. Yay! Everyone clap. Yay! Yay! There they all are. All of them. Let's count them. Keep a shot there. Just hold still. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, Zeb. Okay, open the surprise eggs. Open them up. What do we have? What's that? What is that, Spider-Man?
A pig.
A pig. What else? What's that, Elsa? Oh, what's this? Is that from Minions? Minion. We've got a Minion playing guitar.
Chicken.
A chicken. Put the characters right here.
Ninja Turtle.
A Ninja Turtle. Here he is.
I can't.
Oh, Elsa, what'd you find?
That would be Chucky.
You found, who's this guy?
I don't know.
Who's this guy? Anyone know?
He's from a cartoon.
Okay, we don't know who you are. Okay,
Call him Jiggly Bee.
comment on the video if you know who this guy is. Then please comment on the video.
She found
Oh, you found Star Wars.
I found us.
It's a stormtrooper.
Zebulon found a skeleton horse.
What did Zeb find? What did Elsa find?
I found a bunny.
You found a bunny because it's an Easter egg hunt. It's a bunny.
This is the
Oh, what did you find? What's that?
nothing.
Okay, did we open them all? 1,
Last one.
2. Oh, last one. What's in there? Oh, it fell. What is it? Who's that?
It's from the Ugly Pet Shop.
The Ugly Pet Shop. Here are the characters we found. Let's take a look at them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, we all found one.
Oh, we are missing one. Where'd it go?
It's a bat.
It's a bat. An interesting bat.
From Minecraft.
Oh, it's Minecraft bats.
We have a tiger. From the. It looks like it's from Lion King.
My Little Pony. Blind box. Find the hidden treasure containing the blind box. Treasure?
Oh, treasure?
Follow BB-8 to the treasure. Okay, follow BB-8 to the treasure. Oh, it's a clue. Oh. Treasure? Oh, show the camera. Blind box.
So I have to find this. Who told you this? Who told you where this was? Someone. Come on, tell me.
Put the blind box next to him.
Okay. So how did you find that? Was it hidden? What that poster is. I wonder what that poster means.
What is that? Show the other side. Okay, let her rip. Let's see what we got. What is it? Who'd we get? We got Iron Man! Let's see. Can I take a look at him? We got Iron Man, everybody!
Why is he in a little chamber?
Well, he's in a little chamber because look, you display him like this. Take your hands away for a second, let them see. You put Iron Man just like that, and he sits wherever you want to put him. In your room, on your desk, and he's a display figure. Wow, you got Iron Man.
So you can't take this thing off?
You don't take him out, you leave him in there. That's pretty cool. Let's take a look at him one more time. Everybody, that's Iron Man. Hold him still. All right, let's do the next blind box.
Okay.
Iron Man flies away. Here's our next blind box. It's My Little Pony, Cutie Mark Magic. Here's the characters that we might get. I wonder who is inside of this. Who can it be? Who did we get? What's in there? What is it? What's coming
We
up?
got Pepper Dance!
Pepper Dance! Wow! We got Pepper Dance! Look at her!
Nope.
She's just like a little cute little pony. And she's Pepper Dance.
But except
That is so cool.
Well, except her name is Pepper Dance.
We got Pepper Dance so far. And Iron Man in today's blind box treasure finds.
Yay!
Alright, what's next, Spider-Man? Alright, everybody, we've got Dory. Dory is our feature today. If you haven't seen the movie, it's coming out soon.
And it's called Finding Dory.
Finding Dory, the sequel to Finding Nemo. Who are we gonna get in here? We've got all these characters. We've got Hank, Destiny, Dory, Muffin. Hey, where's Nemo? We don't see a Nemo. Exclusive.
Maybe he's one of...
Maybe he's the question mark, huh?
But they don't look like
Alright,
Nemo.
let's find out what's in here. Do you want to find out what's in here?
Yeah, let's see.
Okay,
Okay,
let it rip.
yeah.
Oh gosh. Yeah, there you go. Not so hard. They'll fly out. Gosh, the suspense is just killing me. Okay, let's see here. Okay, what's in the bag? Put it over here so they can see.
Okay. Wow.
What's in there?
It looks like this paper.
A piece of paper?
Ah, it
There's a
doesn't-
treasure in there. What do we get? Who's that?
I don't know.
Let's take a look and see. Let me see. It's... Oh, look. It's Sheldon. Sheldon.
I was hoping we would get Dory.
We got Sheldon. It's okay. Dory... Sheldon's awesome. We're going to get Dory on the next one. On the next time, huh?
Got Sheldon.
Look at this. We got a Dory package and it contains Sheldon. What a cool blind box character. Jeez, I want this Sheldon keychain for my collection. Look, Spider-Man. Play with it. Show him. So in all of today's finds, in today's YouTube video, we found 3 blind box characters. Pepper Dance, Iron Man, and Sheldon. Leave us a comment and subscribe to our page today. Zebangallo, a world of fun. We'll see you next time. Say bye, Spider-Man Unmasked.
Bye. I'm gonna go on my computer.
Oh, that's your computer? All right. Till next time, this has been a fun episode.
I know. But let me. No.